Palazzo chicken burger.
Chicken burger come. Papa for me or there. See this baby. I'm on piano. She dey come today. We go spend a full week together. Let me say she go come now. She no allow you kiss. Yeah, she no allow me kiss waiting. See, we don't sign agreement. So I was lawyer. Anybody wey no kiss like this, we go sue the person 15 million. So I was go make cream. You go now, fast kitchen. I'm coming, baby.
Kere wawa.
Jennifer, I'm coming, baby.
Jesus!
Good evening, boss. Baby. Who your baby is the Who you the find? I'm Jennifer now. Yes. I don't die. This is Jennifer. Yes, Jennifer. Ow. It's filter. And I'm African to kill you. You even get the idea. You the same man pass me. I don't die. Yeah, they go your house. That's the match. They go your house. What is agreement? Which agreement? If you don't allow me stay for 1 week, I will sleep for 15 minutes. So, don't be Jennifer sign agreement with you. I'm not saying I produce go come. I don't die. Yeah, because of 15 million. I don't go punish you. I'm not your neighbor. I don't die. See you with the pot belly.
I found a love for me.
Yeah, who be this? Oh God, Jesus! Oh God, Jesus! You be Igbo. Where's in the fight? Remember the contract? Which contract? You're meant to sleep with you for 1 week. You're meant to sleep with me for 1 week. Boss, no way. I be just be Jennifer. Yeah, I know you could do. Oh yeah, mo imagine saying that I become quarrel. Mo do. I want to sleep beside me. Don't sleep with me, please. No, baby. I want to be you. Oh no, see. Oh yeah, I'll give it 200K. Sleep beside me. Don't sleep with me. I'm a Christian. Please help me. No problem. Hey, sleep beside me.
This man.
Will it smell? Oh no, see. How punch go the tongue person on? This one I caught this. See how the way they feel at home for my house. You still on AC. I go point this brother.
You guys look cute together.
You don't look cute together. You don't go like go date them. You know she. So you go help me. Go help you. Please help me. I stay with a wig.
You want to see crazy? Get down! Get down!
They are kidnappers.
Kidnappers?
Yes. Please, anything you don't touch my baby. Who be your baby? You baby. You the crazy. Anything you touch my baby. Don't touch my baby. Anything you touch my baby. Don't touch my baby. Touch her.
Mr. Man, come here. Nobody will find come.
What? I told you not to touch my baby, right? Not me. Hey, blood of Jesus. But I could do it.
Baby, stop it now. It's Jennifer.
Jennifer, they get baby. Now go punish you.
Shout! You see what you cause?
What?
So you guys planned this?
No. I've never even met him before.
It's the one that said I'm the one. Baby!
Come on, give me a peck.
Peck? Anyway.
Peck.
Come on, give me a peck. I'm coming to peck you. But I could do it.
Are you playing?
Oh shit! Damn. This nigga is salty.